In this video, we are going to look at how we can create an upsell block in the Checkout Wizard app. Just to refresh, all of these are upsell blocks. We have multiple different designs. This is a checkbox upsell. This is the default upsell block that we have. From here, if we go one step ahead, we have the bold vertical upsell over here. And we have one more design, which you can check out over here while you can create block. This is the default horizontal design that we have. So to create an upsell block, all you have to do is click create block in the block section over here. Give the block a name. Select the upsell products that you want to show based on AI recommendation, specific upsell products or cart line item. We have a dedicated video on what these specifically mean. And also you can set a display on when you want the block to be shown. This is also explained in the same video. After that, we can enable a discount setting for this upsell. We have a percentage fixed of free shipping discounts, and you can give the discount code a name. In case of free shipping discounts, you just need to enter a minimum cart value when the free shipping will be given. Fixed, you can just say when the minimum cart value is 100, you want to give a $20 off, and you can apply this discount to the total cart or specifically to the upsell product where you want to. And ideally, it would be just the upsell product. Besides this, we have multiple customization options. So I'll just go through what all of this does. So show variants as individual products, pretty straightforward. If you're showing an upsell product with multiple variants, it will show the individual variants as blocks. And you can add those variants individually rather than a drop down where you see the variants. So you can either have the drop down or you see the drop downs individually. Show app discounts. So in case you have enabled discounts over here, you can show the app discounts as a strike off price. If you don't have the app and discounts enabled, you can also show original compare at price that you've set in your Shopify product settings. Remove upsell choice once added is ideal for in case you're doing AI upsell. So once an AI upsell is added, that product will be removed from the list of products that are already there. So if I add a specific body scrubber over here, you see that the body scrubber is now gone and we have other products take its place. So that's what the remove upsell choice once added does. And remove products that are already in cart essentially means if you already had a body scrubber in the cart while coming into the checkout page and we had a upsell with the body scrubber as well, the body scrubber wouldn't show and try to upsell the same product. It will only upsell different products that are not there in the cart. So that's what these checkboxes over here mean. You can enable, disable them as you want. We have different customization options. So the label size, label emphasis, discount label, text color, title color, and all the buttons you can have different types. So secondary is an outline button and primary is a filled button. The pagination buttons and how you want the pagination buttons to see. And these are the pagination buttons right here. And the free shipping bar, in case you have a free shipping bar, what color do you want this background to be, the fill color to be, and the success color to be. All of that can be set over here. Text alignment and text size also can be adjusted from this section right here. And besides that, we have the language sections over here. So all the text that you have for free shipping or any other text that you have, all the text options are right here. And in case you want to do it for multiple languages, you can just select which language you want to edit it for and edit it in that particular language and hit save. This is essentially how you create an upsell block on the Checkout Wizard app. In the next video, we'll be talking about how you can publish this block that you have created onto your checkout. Thank you.